Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my Dog Daycare and Boarding Business Plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it, and then after that we'll dive into the Dog Daycare and Boarding Business Plan template. I'll share with you what's in the Word document as well as the financial model. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and take a look at my Dog Daycare and Boarding Business Plan template. So the first up is going to be the Word document portion of the Dog Daycare and Boarding Business Plan template. And this is where the actual template is. And so once you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with a title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to get rid of this wording right here. They're going to go ahead and then put their company logo here, and then they'll leave the word business plan underneath. The next page is going to be the table of contents. On the table of contents, what you want to do is once you go through the business plan, you update it, make sure that all the information that you want to put in it is in it. Inevitably, you're going to add more pages to it. And so once you're done, you'll come back to the table of contents, click on the table of contents, click on update the table, update the entire table, click on OK, and then all the titles and all the page numbers will update accordingly. The third page is the executive summary. In the executive summary section, I give you a great starting point for the Dog Daycare and Boarding summary. I also give you a good starting point for the target market, the financial highlights, and the funding request. For the financial highlights, once you update your financial model, and that's the second portion of this video, but once you update the financial model, then you'll be able to extrapolate the correct numbers to put into this section. And then the next section is going to be our company description. This is when we're going to start talking about your company, the actual Dog Daycare and the Boarding Company. So again, I give you a good starting point for the summary. I give you an area for the services you'll be providing. Competitive advantage section. Anywhere you see yellow, I do recommend you take a close look at that. Make sure it's aligned with your company. Any place with parentheses, you definitely want to change that information out with your information. For example, company name would be your actual company name. Underneath the competitive advantage section, again, we've got primary target market information, pricing strategy, a section for your hours of operation, your location, and then I've got a brief strategic plan underneath the business objectives and timeline. The next page is going to be the industry analysis. In industry analysis, I do update this periodically. Industry that I do research is the pet grooming and boarding industry. Some of the industry statistics I give y'all is going to be your revenues, your profits, your profit margin, businesses, wages. I do get most of my information from IBIS World. They are the industry leader in industry research. Next section is going to be your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. Just update this information as you see fit. Now we are into our organizational structure. It's broken into two components. It's going to be your ownership section and then your organizational chart. And then for marketing, I provide y'all with 3 marketing channels, which is going to be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Again, update this information as you see fit. And then now we are into our funding request. This gives y'all an area to put the dollar amount you need to get the party started, whether it's startup or for growth, terms for the loan, and then interest rate range expected. And we are now into the financial projections. The financial projections comes with the financial model, and I'll be introducing you all to that in just a second. But in the financial model, you are able to update the information, and then once you're done updating it, it will update your financial projections for the profit and loss for 1 year. And this is broken into monthly as well as quarterly for the first 12 months, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then also it has a pro forma income statement which breaks down your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits annually for the next 5 years. All right, so that is the template for the Word document. And next up is going to be the financial model, which is in Excel. And so for the financial model, what you would do is anywhere in the darker color cells, you're going to go ahead and put your information or update that information. And once you do that, it will update your projection summary, which is right here. It'll update your profit and loss statement, which is monthly for the next 12 months. It'll update this information here. And then we'll also update your income statement, which is right here for the next 5 years. So once you're done entering your information in the information page, you will just simply copy the financial statement, copy it, and paste it into the Word document in the appropriate place, and then you'll be set ready to go. Now, the areas that you are able to go ahead and update would be areas for your daily sales. Again, anywhere in the darker color cells you can update. So you can update your daily sales, your labor, and your labor is monthly, startup cost. Then we've got an area here for your monthly fixed cost, your miscellaneous information, which is your tax rate. We've got some growth rates here, which for growth rate for your sales for the next 5 years would be right here annually, and then your fixed cost right here. And then your loan information would be underneath. So again, once you update this information, it will automatically update your profit and loss and income statement, and you just need to copy and paste it into the other document. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.